Investing in new windows for your Pasadena home is a great way to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase comfort. However, like any home improvement, the key to maximizing the benefits of your new windows is proper maintenance. With the right care, your windows can last for many years, continuing to offer excellent insulation and aesthetic appeal. Pasadena's warm climate and occasional moisture fluctuations can affect the performance of your windows. Whether you've installed vinyl, wood, or fiberglass windows, maintaining them properly is crucial for preserving their function and appearance. Here's a customer-focused guide to help you care for your windows after installation, ensuring they continue to perform at their best. Regular cleaning to maintain clarity. One of the simplest ways to keep your windows looking good is by cleaning them regularly. Dust, dirt, and grime can accumulate on both the interior and exterior of the glass, affecting visibility and aesthetics. Keeping your windows clean not only improves the view but also ensures they remain energy efficient by allowing natural light to enter freely. For most window types, a gentle cleaning solution made of water and mild dish soap is sufficient. Use a microfiber cloth or a soft sponge to clean the glass, and avoid abrasive materials that can scratch the surface. You can also use a vinegar water solution to remove streaks and spots. For hard-to-reach windows, a squeegee can help achieve a streak-free finish. Cleaning your windows at least every 3 months or more frequently if needed will keep them clear and help maintain the appeal of your home. Be sure to clean both the inside and outside of the windows, as dirt on the exterior can be harder to remove if left too long. Inspect for damage and wear. Properly installed windows are designed to be durable and long-lasting, but it's important to regularly inspect them for signs of wear or damage. Over time, exposure to the elements can lead to issues such as cracks in the glass. This can happen from impacts, temperature changes, or extreme weather. Warping or cracking of the frame. Especially with wooden frames, moisture and temperature changes can cause the material to expand, contract, or rot. Faulty seals. If you notice condensation between double or triple-paned windows, this could indicate a broken seal, which reduces the window's energy efficiency. By performing regular checks, you can catch any issues early and prevent further damage. If you do notice any problems, contact a window professional to have them repaired as soon as possible. Properly maintain window seals and weather stripping. The seals and weather stripping around your windows play a crucial role in maintaining energy efficiency by preventing drafts and moisture from entering your home. Over time, these seals can deteriorate due to temperature fluctuations, moisture, and general wear and tear. To maintain these components, inspect the weather stripping and seals regularly for any cracks, gaps, or signs of wear. If you notice any damage, replace the weather stripping or reseal the areas to keep your home insulated. Proper sealing reduces the need for heating or cooling, helping to maintain consistent indoor temperatures and lowering energy bills. Lubricate moving parts. For windows with moving parts, such as sliding windows, casement windows, or double-hung windows, lubrication is key to ensuring smooth operation. If you notice that your windows are difficult to open or close, the moving parts might be dry or clogged with dirt. Use a silicone-based lubricant for the tracks and hinges of your windows to keep them operating smoothly. Avoid using oil-based lubricants, as these can attract dust and grime, causing more friction. Wipe away any excess lubricant after application to prevent buildup. This simple maintenance task can help extend the lifespan of your windows and prevent future operational issues. Prevent moisture buildup and mold growth. Pasadena's occasional humidity can cause condensation to form on the windows, especially during the cooler months. If moisture is allowed to accumulate, it can lead to mold and mildew growth, which can damage your window frames and surrounding areas. To prevent this, regularly wipe down the interior and exterior of your windows to remove any moisture. Ensure that your windows are properly sealed to prevent drafts and moisture from entering. If you notice excessive condensation on your windows, consider increasing ventilation in your home by opening windows or using exhaust fans, particularly in areas like the kitchen and bathroom. Using a dehumidifier can also help reduce moisture levels in your home. Protect your windows during extreme weather. Pasadena can experience occasional storms, high winds, or heavy rains. While your windows are designed to withstand normal weather conditions, it's a good idea to take extra precautions during extreme weather events. If you live in an area prone to hurricanes, consider installing storm shutters or impact-resistant windows for added protection. Even if you don't have storm windows, keeping your windows clean and free from debris can reduce the risk of damage during severe weather. If you're expecting a storm, check that the windows are tightly sealed and consider covering them with protective materials, such as plywood or impact-resistant films. Schedule professional inspection. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, it's also a good idea to have your windows professionally inspected every few years. A window expert can check for potential issues that you might not notice, such as sealant failures or structural problems that could affect the performance of your windows. Professional inspections can help identify issues early on, saving you money on repairs and extending the lifespan of your windows. Additionally, if you have specialized windows, such as energy-efficient models or custom designs, a professional can ensure that all components are functioning properly. Conclusion: proper maintenance is the key to ensuring that your new windows continue to perform at their best in Pasadena's climate. Regular cleaning, inspecting for damage, maintaining seals and weather stripping, lubricating moving parts, and preventing moisture buildup are all essential tasks to keep your windows functioning efficiently and looking great. By investing a little time and effort into window maintenance, you'll not only enhance the appearance and comfort of your home but also extend the life of your windows, ensuring that you continue to enjoy their benefits for years to come. If in doubt, always consult with a professional to keep your windows in top shape.